Hey, guess where I'm at? Yeah, it's Bubba, and it's time to get a new vehicle. And I could not be any more excited about it because this is what I'm going to be driving. Seriously, for real, it is a brand new Ford F-150. Richard hooks me up. Look at this color. That's crazy. These F-150s are luxurious too. Here, I'm gonna take you inside of it real quick. Look at this, brand new, unbelievable. Look at that. This is absolutely unbelievable. It really is unreal. And my other thing that I love so much about it is look at this roof as I climb up. Look at that. Sunroof, moonroof, all kinds of roof. It's unreal. That's why I love Richard and the entire team at Shults Ford. They hook me up. Thank you, Richard. Thank you, everybody here at Shults Ford. I will drive this all summer and be amazingly proud.